We just heard popping sounds and saw sparks going off of the stage, so at first we thought it was maybe electrical or part of the show. Then we thought maybe it was just fireworks, Paget told ABC News. Then everyone starts yelling, "Get on the ground! Get on the ground!" Your friend asks how the concert was. Great. You don't mention the looking around, the looking back, the moving forward, the heart pounding. No, it was just great because this time the fireworks were just fireworks.